Tuesday, October 1st, 2024. St. Teresa of Lisieux, Joint Patron of the Missions. Focus. Whoever humbles himself like this child is greatest in the kingdom of heaven. It is not fascinating to see a father throw his child up into the air and catch the little one in his arms. The child breaks into pearls of laughter, confident that daddy will catch them, even if just in time. This trust is precious. My own bond with my father was rather special, and it reminds me that God is our loving Father. To be trusted utterly, this bond of trust and love is what Jesus emphasizes when he calls little children to himself. We use two contrasting adjectives to speak about children: childish when someone is selfish and obstinate, and childlike when someone is simple and trusting. When the disciples questioned the Master about the greatest, Jesus draws a child close and points to the little one as a model of humility. True humility is based on total trust in the presence of God in our lives, in each and every circumstance. We gratefully recognize our joys as gift from the Lord, and even when suffering strikes, we are aware of God's loving presence and wisdom, confident that for those who love God, all things work together for good. Fruit. Saint Teresa is called the little flower of Jesus for her simplicity and trust in God. May I cultivate this deep trust in God's loving providence in every area of my life.